Are you looking for the best eyelash curlers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best eyelash curlers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Cherioll Eyelash Curler. If you are searching for one of the best brands in the market that will give you a high-quality eyelash curler, you have just landed on the one that you can trust. Cherioll brand has been in the market providing high-quality products for a long time and has sold hundreds of thousands if not millions of products to customers worldwide and all over the US. The Cherioll Eyelash Curler gives the best curls for your eyelashes, and this is all done using heat for the best creation. It's fast heating with the ability to reach optimum temperatures in just 10 seconds and thus you can use it. It has been made using the latest technology and therefore has been designed to keep you safe at all times without really pinching and clinching, which has always been a major challenge in traditional eyelashes curlers. It can move at a constant speed and thus does not irritate your skin either. It's portable and therefore you can easily carry it from one place to the other by simply slipping it inside your pocket, purse, or backpack for comfortable carrying. It has two different uses, and that is the concave side and the convex side that promotes the growth of your hair. At number 4, Chella Eyelash Curler. The designing of women's beauty accessories and products is a factor to put into consideration for women to love high-quality products that are well designed and appealing to their eyes. Chella Eyelash Curler is one of the best examples you need to consider as far as design and functionality are concerned. It is gentle and gives the best results all the time. Chella Eyelash Curler has been designed to purposely be used after mascara application and is therefore specific to its task to give the best results all time. It curves the lashes to give long, lasting curls throughout your day, and therefore you can stay comfortable and raise your self-esteem while you are at work. The Chella Eyelash Curler comes as a package with all the things that you need, and that is inclusive of an AAA battery. The battery is high quality and long-lasting, thus offering the best service all the time. You do not need to worry about pinching and crimping caused by all the traditional lash curlers in the market. The Chella Eyelash Curler has dimensions of 1 by 0.6 by 5.5 inches and is therefore easy to slip in your pocket or backpack and not forget your purse for easy carrying. At number 3, YCIGFUNS Eyelash Curler. Long-lasting curls after using Ysigfuns Eyelash Curler is all you get, for it has been made by the best brand in the market that truly keeps customer satisfaction as the priority. The Ysigfuns Eyelash Curler shapes your eyelashes easily, for it uses heat and can reach 80 degrees Celsius in just 1 minute. It is therefore among the best accessories you need to have for maximum satisfaction on the treatment of your eyelashes. The curls can last up to 24 hours after the last curling, thus it is an eyelash curler that you can trust all the time. It provides uniform heat at all times and therefore you can get the impeccable curling effect at all times. It is safe to use at all times and does not hurt your skin or your eyelashes, and is therefore perfect for long times use since it has no side effects. YCIGFUNS Eyelash Curler is an easy-to-charge accessory, for it comes as a package and has all the things that you require in one package. It, therefore, has a USB charging system. It's compact with dimensions of 6.4 by 2.8 by 1.6 inches, thus you can easily slip it in your pocket, purse, or backpack for another time use while you are outdoors. It has a 1-year warranty and therefore you can easily contact them in case of any quality issue. At number 2, TOUCHBeauty Lashes Curler. TOUCHBeauty Lashes Curler has a warranty of 1 year and 30 days money-back guarantee. Therefore, in case you are not fully satisfied with the eyelash curler within 30 days of buying, you can return for a replacement or either a refund. It heats up within 15 seconds and therefore time-saving, especially when you are preparing yourself for work in the morning. Additionally, TOUCHBeauty Lashes Curler works with heat and therefore it becomes very easy to curl your lashes for utmost satisfaction. There is no pain while using this curler either on the skin or your eyelashes. You have all the reasons to tell clinching and pinching goodbye, for this high-quality product curler is far different from the traditional ones. It has smart sensing abilities and therefore, changes the color when fully warm as needed for use. The TOUCHBeauty Lashes Curler uses two AAA batteries that are not included in the package and therefore needed to buy to start using the curler. At number 1. JDO Heated Eyelash Curler. In a red color, the lightweight eyelash curler ensures you have the best services at all times. It is easy to use and saves much of your time, especially when preparing for work. The eyelash curler has been made to perfectly fit your lashes for utmost curl satisfaction. As compared to the traditional curlers in the market, the JDO curler is more perfect and offers the best high-quality strong curled eyelashes that stay for a long time in perfect shape. It heats up fast with only 8 seconds and you are good to use it. Therefore, it saves you much time. It uses the latest technology and therefore no pitching while you use it, which was one of the problems sometimes back with the traditional curlers. It is also safe such that you do not need to worry about overusing it for a long time, for it has no side effects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.